I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening developer options and enabling pointer location and show taps. This exposes touch input data so you can see where the device senses contacts. Once done, remove any case or protector and clean the glass. Dirt or lift changes capacitance. Next, reboot to safe mode to rule out apps. Hold power, then long press power off and choose safe mode. This first stage proves whether the issue is hardware or software before you continue deeper. Now use the on-screen pointer location to record several gestures across the entire display. Swipe, multi-touch, and long press each area. You want to identify consistent dead zones, jumpy traces, or ghost touches. Those patterns tell you if the digitizer is failing. Once you have patterns, run the built-in hardware test or a dedicated touchscreen test app to confirm. If traces are noisy in multiple spots, the digitizer or connection is likely compromised. If clean and safe mode, an app caused it. You finish by choosing the correct fix. If tests pointed to software, back up data and perform a factory reset. This removes rogue apps and settings. If hardware, power off, open the device only if you are trained, reseat the digitizer connector, or replace the screen assembly. This is often the only permanent fix. Once repaired, boot, enable pointer location, and verify smooth, accurate traces across the panel. If issues persist, consult a qualified repair shop and avoid repeated DIY attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.